Hey, what's up, everyone? Are you trying to play Royal Match but the game keeps crashing or freezing on the splash screen? It is a super annoying glitch that keeps you from getting to the fun. Don't worry, I've got a few solid fixes to get you past that screen and back to solving puzzles. First off, the simplest thing to try is a quick restart. Close the Royal Match app completely, make sure it's not running in the background, then go ahead and open it back up. This can often force the game to resync from the servers and fix a temporary bug that's causing the crash. Next up, let's check for any updates. An outdated version of Royal Match is a very common cause of crashes, especially after the developers release new levels. So head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Royal Match, and make sure you have the latest version installed. If there's an update button, go ahead and tap it. Now, if you are on an Android device, a super effective fix is to clear the app's cache. Head into your phone settings, find apps, then Royal Match. And in the storage and cache section, you'll see at the very bottom to clear cache button. Tap on it. This is totally safe, won't delete your progress, and can often fix a crash by removing corrupted temporary files. Moving on, even though it is a puzzle game, Royal Match still needs a stable connection to sync your progress and load content. So go ahead and switch from your Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around and see if that helps. Unstable connection can cause a failure on the splash screen that looks just like a crash. If you're still having trouble, let's try freeing up your phone's memory. Too many apps running in the background can slow down everything and cause the game to freeze or crash. So close all other applications and then try launching Royal Match again. If that still doesn't work, a full restart of your phone or tablet can clear out any lingering software glitches that are causing the problem. Finally, if all else fails, a clean reinstallation might be the last resort. But a huge warning here, before you uninstall, make sure your game progress is linked to your Facebook account or Apple ID. If it's not, you will lose all your progress. Once your account is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Royal Match again from the store.